In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily check your YouTube search and watch history. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up YouTube app. And once you are logged in, tap right here at your profile picture and then choose your data in YouTube. Then you will be taken to this page where you can scroll down, and that's where we can find our YouTube watch history. If we want to see all the videos, we need to tap at manage your YouTube watch history. That's where we can find our watch history. We can scroll down or up, and then we can tap at any videos to rewatch them, or if we want to hide or remove some video from our watch history, we can just easily do so in that simple way. Just tap at that cross icon to remove it. And then also, if we scroll to the top, we can find two options: saving your YouTube history and auto delete. So we can enable auto delete our YouTube watch history. We can select auto delete activity older than, and then choose 3 months, 18 months or 36 months, or we can turn it off. The same about YouTube search history. We need to scroll down a bit, and then it will show us our YouTube search history. We can tap at manage your YouTube search history, and it will show us our recent searches. In the same way, we can scroll down to search for some specific search, and then we can in the same way hide recent searches and recently watched videos. Also, right here we can find the bulk delete option. If we tap on it, it will allow us to delete all search and watch history for today, for custom range, or for all the time. That's how you can easily check and clear your YouTube history. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.